problems for students and teachers in school. When we use regular chalkboard cleaner, the dust will get into the air and make these problems worse. To solve this, we created a new kind of chalkboard cleaner built-in dust sucking system.
The special duster not only wipes chalkboard clean but also suck up the dust as you use it. The dust collected in a small container inside the duster, which can be easily removed and emptied. This helps keep classroom in air clean and reduce the spread of dust.
The duster is lightweight and easy to hold, so both teachers and students use this comfortably. It works well and does not disturb. It works in a rechargeable bag.
This project is designed for making the classroom healthier and cleaner by preventing the dust from spreading in the air and settle on the surfaces.
By adding a dust sucking system feature to create a regular duster, we are aiming to create a safer and comfortable place for learning. Thank you.
This is the roller, this is the switch, and this is a sucking fan inside it. Let us see the working.